So now we'll look at the factoring of this other quiz. Okay? Again, number one, we've got a difference of squares, but we've got a common factor. Pull out first. 4a squared b. And common to a squared b plus 9. I stand corrected. Not a difference of squares. Can't go any further than that. Okay, number two, so a difference of cubes. Cubic factoring, a cubed minus b cubed, a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, same sign, opposite sign, always positive. Identifying a as 2x, b as 3y. This now factors 2x minus 3y and 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. Factor. This will not factor again. Some people are tempted to want to factor that again. It will not. Problem number 3. Common factors. Both groups have an x plus 1. Both groups have an x squared plus 5. That is a common factor. X plus 1, x squared minus 5. It is common to get back to that, this must multiply by another x squared minus 5. Bring down the middle sign, plus, you have to count for 4x, and then the group x plus 1. This needs to be expanded. You got x squared minus 5. Distribute the 4x plus 4x squared plus 4x. Tidy my terms together here. 5x squared plus 4x minus 5. Other two factors come down. X plus 1. X squared minus 5. Factor completely. Quadratic trinomial. Can, if you want, multiply the ends. We can do trial and error. Do trial and error. I'm gonna realize that I have 2x or 1x. I'm going to try 5 and 3 on as factors of 15. Now I got to get to a negative 15, which means I have to have a plus and minus combination. Okay, I'm going to try this. Check it. 3x on the inside. The outer two. Negative 10x. Combine for the negative 7x. I'm done. Now guys, do not pull out the common factor, number 5. You did that, you made your life a lot easier. Because then I saw this as perfect square trinomial going to x plus 1, the quantity squared factor. Number 6, let's do the multiplication on the ends. And this is 84. Combination of numbers, multiplying to 84, adding to 31. It's going to be 28 and 3. So the 7 and squared comes down. The 31 is retagged as 28n plus 3n plus 12. Split it in the middle. Common factor from the first two, 7n. Common to n plus 4. Common factor in the second two, 3. Bring down the sign. Common to n plus 4. Factored. Now, common factor, common binomial factor, xn plus 4. Common to 7n plus 3. Is now factored. Multiply the ends. The ends multiply to 360. Combination numbers, multiplying to 360, adding 38 would be, that combination is 20 and 18. Middle term is redefined now. So we got 45x squared plus 20xy plus 18xy plus 8y squared. Split in the middle. Common factor from the first two, 5x. Common 2, 9x plus 4y. Second 2, common factor, 2y. Common 2, 9x plus 4y. Common binomial factor, 9x plus 4y. Common 2, 5x plus 2y. Now factor. Problem number 8. Careful. This reads x minus y, this reads y minus x. They're not the same. They could be made the same, they're opposites. So, if I wanted that second group to read the same as x minus y, I then have to pull out a negative sign and put the negative sign in front of the y squared term. Now my common binomial factor is x minus y, and it is common to x squared minus y squared. This of course is difference of squares, x plus y, x minus y, another x minus y. We really should express it as x minus y, quantity squared, times x plus y. That is now factored. Number 9, split it in half. The only common factor in the first two is 1, common to 2 minus y squared. Second two, they have an x in common. I'm going to pull that out. X is going to give me 2 minus y squared. Common binomial factor, 2 minus y squared. Common to 1 plus x, or x plus 1, is now factored. Now you know when I'm doing this, okay? Lastly, number 10, split it down the middle. From the first two, y is common, comes out, it's common to 2x minus 3. From the second two, z is common, common to 2x minus 3. Common binomial factor, 2x minus 3. Common to y plus z. Now factored. There you have Quiz 1 solutions completed.